Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Music enthusiasts, buckle up as we explore MurF AI, a cutting edge tool for music generation and composition. In this beginner's guide, we will uncover the fundamentals and discover how MurF AI can ignite your musical creativity like never before. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So first of all guys, we need to go to MurF.ai. As you can see, this is the website. Now for the products and the solutions that this AI gives you, well basically this AI enabled real people voices. It make studio quality voiceovers in minutes. Use MurFs like AI, voices for podcasts, videos, and all your professional presentations. So basically here what you are going to need to do first is to click on the sign up button. Right after you do so, you can sign it up using your Google, Microsoft or Slack account. So for me, I'm going to go ahead with Google, and then I'm going to sign in using my Gmail account, click on continue, and we will be right in the account. So there we go, I have created my accounts. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a new project. I'm gonna name it tutorial project. I'm gonna name it like that, and just like that I'm gonna create the folder or the project. So there we go. Now what you need to do is basically pretty simple. You just have to write the script that you want. For example here, I'm just gonna type hello everyone and listen to it. Let me just reduce the voice a little bit, and let's preview it.
Hello, everyone.
You see how good it is? So hello everyone, back again with a new tutorial. So let's check it out again. There we go, back again with a new tutorial. Play.
Back again with a new tutorial.
Oh my bad, tutorial, and now let's see. So here we go,
Back again with a new tutorial.
and this is perfect. So notice guys that in here in the top corner, or not the corner but in the top of the page, I will have a couple of things. So there is the menu, and here there is how many minutes I have available. So I have spent 9 seconds of 10 minutes. This is how many minutes I have as maximum amount to spend in voiceovers. So once I have reached 10 minutes of script translated into a voiceover, I will not be able to create anymore. Now let's try something else. Let's try, for example, a woman voice. I'm going to try this.
Hunger and malnutrition are the #1 health risk.
This one's it sounds like AI, so I'm gonna go to the next one.
Imagine waking up to the
Okay, let's try it out and let's check it out. So there, hello everyone.
hello everyone.
Alright, this one is pretty much not really that good. I can make it conversational or luxury. So we're changing that. We can even change the pitch and the actual speed. So let's change the pitch and see if it's gonna change anything.
Hello everyone.
And you see already that there was a lot of things that has been changed, even with the same voiceover person, which is Claire, a female. It's still, once I have changed the details of the pitch and I have changed it from conventional into luxury, as in here in the filters, the voice was incredibly changed. So now you might tell me, how can we use all of these voices? You can simply go right here. So now I have the voices right here, and of course you have here the timeline. So once you want to add something, you can, for example, here add it, emphasize, and go preview it or something like that. You can even go right here into these 3 points, and you can right through here download it. But yes, I can't really download it because I am not in a pro plan. Now I have this normal plan, which is basically not a paid plan, so this is why I can't really have a pro plan. So what you do to, in case I would like to save them, what you could do, basically exports, which will allow you to export these two as voice only, single file. You can here choose what you would like to have, so download as single file, split by blocks, split by sub blocks, format mp3, wave, flag, ELO or ULO, quality high, etc. And basically here you have to click on download. But unfortunately, as you see, select voice available in basics, I can't really download anything from here. Even if I changed anything right here, I really can't download it. So it's only available for me to download the script, which is not really as convenient. Downloading the script, I mean, I can literally just rewrite it by my own hands. So this is something very bad for the free plan. You can test it, but you can't really download it. What I do instead is basically, since for example I am now recording using OBS, as you can see here, so I can literally create a new scene and record only the audio. So I'm gonna click right here, click and choose like audio output capture or audio input capture, whatever you want. So in our case it's gonna be an output, so it's gonna be coming from our browser, and so you're gonna detect only the voice coming from the actual website. After you do so, just pause the recording. After you pause the recording, you will be able to have a file in mp3 that only has the audio of the website. Of course, you can go then to, for example, CapCut, or let's say Adobe Premiere or Adobe VoiceOver, or anything that can edit anything, or you can cut with it any kind of slice of audio, and you can cut the silence part of the audio, so it can be a really professional audio. You can work it, put it in your videos, add it to your edits, and so go on. And as you maybe noticed before, the first voice that we have chosen and uses in this video was actually a well-known voice that a lot of people are using in their YouTube shorts. So in case you would like to have YouTube shorts made using AI voice, well, this website can actually help you doing that. It has a really very big variation of voices. You have here a lot of people that you can use their voices. You can even make your own personalized voice. If you click right here, you can literally even instead of writing the script, you can read the script and they will turn your voice into somebody's else voice, which is very good. But as I said, this one only works for the upgraded plan. For the plans, I mean, here are the prices. It starts with $30, $40, and then for the enterprise, they simply have to negotiate the plan with you. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. This is MurF AI. I hope you liked it, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.